Welcome, today I've heard of me Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the notification panel shortcuts, and just to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. And after that we can see here the up section with the visible icons, and this is the down section with all of the invisible icons which we can add. For example, let's use the storage. Just click on this plus icon on the right upper corner of each of the icon. Let's add the calculator, the screen lock. So if you want, you can add all of these icons, that's not a problem. And just to remove some of them, you should just click on this minus, and that will be here again on this down section. To change the position of the icons, we should by the same way hold and just drag it. As you can see, that's all simple. And to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.